Hello, people and rail fans, basically my fans. Today, I've got a surprise video. I have a train horn. I'm pretty sure it was on a real train. Correct me if I'm wrong, though. Okay, you can probably see the little rust parts on the horn. Hadley train horn. I've actually never heard of Hadley before. It did have a cap on it, but it popped off very easily. Has anyone ever seen the inside of a train horn? Probably not, but train horn on my bed right now. I'll be doing a series about these videos, like updates, everything. Me and my mom are I'm planning to get rid of the rust. Maybe give it a good repaint and do some fix-ups on this. Because I'm in shock. I own a train horn. And I'm a young child. So that's gonna wrap this video up. See you in the next video I post. Bye.